5:45. Well, it's not really, but it's early enough. Pretty much, I've been up washing, cooking. So, you know, I've been a little bit busy, making phone calls, just trying to take care of business. But right now, I'm at the nail salon because, of course, I'm getting my nails done and I'm getting my toes painted. I'm not getting a pedicure, I'm just getting like a polish change. So yeah, so today is going to consist of, I guess, you know, well, the girls, I got to drop them off to their dad's house. And I'm going to work, get off at like 11:30. But tonight I'm getting off early because my girlfriend of mine, she invited me to her friend's boat. So I will be doing that tonight and I'm excited. So that's about it for today. This is like unexpected because I wasn't planning on vlogging this, but I'm gonna go ahead and vlog something. It was just on my heart, and I said, you know what, let me just vlog. But yes, got the little natural look going on. Got no lashes, no makeup. Got my eyebrows shaded in just a little bit. Other than that, yeah. So for you guys, I'm about to get ready to go in here in the next 10 minutes, and I will see you all soon. All right, y'all. So we ended up in Five and Below. This is what this is what the girls got me. They've been good, so I was like, I could get something out of here. My nail tech called me, was like, I'm ready for you. You come now, you come now. So we're here. You come now, come now. Yes, I don't know, y'all. I don't know what color I want to get done to my nails. I'm thinking about like a nude peach or like a pink. I don't know what I want to do, but I need to do something. I don't know how this is going to go for the day because by the time I finish getting my nails done, it's going to be about close to 12:30. I still got to go home, get my hair together. I'm going to pin curl my hair, or that's the go. I'm going to try to pin curl my hair, get ready for work. Good thing I already cooked my lunch and stuff, made my lunch, so. But yes, I don't know what they about to get out of here. All right, y'all, come on. Y'all got like 6 minutes. Yeah, 6 minutes. They're like, there's so much in here. As y'all can see, I did the girls' hair over. And yes, I do their hair. So, yeah. But anyways, y'all, let me hope them find something. And I guess next time I see y'all will be in the nail salon. Y'all can meet Michelle, my nail tech. Say hi, Michelle. Hi. Michelle, I was telling them about you on YouTube. My nail tech. Ain't she beautiful, y'all? That's my baby. So I'm getting my nails done. And the girls are over there. I can't really. Let me show y'all the girls. There they go.
Yeah, that's my girl.
Look at her.
I have two beautiful girls.
Yeah, she said her two beautiful girls. Yes. So I've been going to Michelle. How long have I been going to you? What,
Three and a half years.
3.5 years? Yeah, like 3.5 years. So I'm gonna sit it down here for a little second. Yeah, I meant to call you when I went down Ocean City. Did I call you?
You don't. I call you. You're not call me.
Oh.
Yeah, I waiting you.
And we was down there for about. We didn't stay a night though. We left.
But the firewood, no, I don't like that. This.
I didn't like the fireworks either. It wasn't a lot. Yeah,
just
it was
15 minutes.
It was weak. It was
but
the worst fireworks I ever seen.
You know, you see, go to Wind Bell, right? Them have a lot. You know, the firewood very beautiful.
Oh, I didn't see. Okay.
Yeah. Every year go to Wind Bell.
Okay. Yeah, Ocean City. I said, what in the world is it? 15 minutes? And then they weren't even good 15. It wasn't even good at all. I said, wow, come on, Ocean City. Yeah.
You know how much a parking lot? $80 we park.
$80 to park?
Uh-huh.
For how many hours?
All day.
$80 to park?
Uh-huh.
Oh, wow, that's too much money. We parked over there. I don't know if you've seen it, but it was a carnival. We parked in a carnival parking lot.
How much?
Nothing.
Oh, you have a.
We didn't pay anything.
Oh.
I mean, we had to walk some ways, but you know,
because we park on the
where the beaches
by the water.
By the water, yeah. Okay, that's why. Wow, that's a lot of money. $80 to park.
But usually the buffet 26, right?
Mm-hmm.
That you know how much? $45 a buffet.
Wow. Wow. So you said you're going back in October? Okay.
23rd.
23rd? Okay. That's gonna be nice.
But I go.
So did you take any pictures? I mean, because I know it was like something small, right?
We have a picture a lot, but
Okay.
not for the wedding girl.
Right.
We want to go over there vacation. We do it.
Okay. So did y'all go up on Marlboro?
Hmm?
Justice of Peace?
No,
No.
by the motor beach.
Oh yeah. Okay, I got you. Okay, I got you.
That honeymoon. Honeymoon part.
Where the honeymoon at? Where?
Try, yeah, that for a week. You know, try fun.
You off the hook, Michelle. You happy? I'm happy.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
We go to the church. We go to church.
Y'all go?
We already.
That's good. You know what's so crazy? I was thinking about that last night. I said I need to start going back. On Sundays, I need to start going.
But
Because I don't work in the mornings.
What I say with them, I say see you next time.
Oh.
He said what? I said yeah.
He like, yeah, okay. Next time, all right.
He said remember the day if her birthday you forgot it. She cut your neck.
Oh, not cut the neck. Oh, no. That is too much.
Nó có lên cái đài video của nó đó. Chứ bây giờ nó đi chơi nó quay ra trên cái cuộc sống nó đó. Có gì không? Ê, nghe nó thâu vô luôn á mày. Đừng có nói đã anh ta yêu tao.
Y'all, what color should I get? I don't know what color I should get. I'm over here trying to get my nails done and vlog at the same time. But yeah, I think I might get like a nude peach or I don't know, probably like a pink. Cause like I said, I'm going on a boat tonight, so and I'm supposed to be wearing all white, so I don't know. But anyways, y'all, let me finish getting my nails done, and I will talk to you guys a little bit later. Alright, y'all, so I just finished my hair and my makeup. So I got my hair in a ponytail right now. Something cute and simple for the makeup. But I'm a little late for work, so I got to go. I just wanted to show y'all my makeup. Hey, girlies. Hey. So, yeah, let's see how good this gonna look 10 o'clock at night. Right now, it's 3 o'clock, so let's see how good it's gonna look at 10. But yeah, let's get into this good old beat. My eyelash kind of sticking a little bit, but it's all right. All right, see you guys later. Y'all, I'm like 30 minutes late for work. And when I say it is torch out here, it is hot. I mean, it is like real hot outside. Like I'm talking about like 90 degrees hot, y'all. Like seriously. And I didn't even know it was gonna be this hot outside. But it's hot. It's all good. Hopefully my supervisors don't be doing too much and tell me I can't leave early. Because I'm getting on this boat tonight, baby. This boat will not be leaving me tonight. You hear me? Nope. Yeah, that Popeye chicken is so good. But anyways, y'all. These are the old hours that I used to work that I don't work no more. And everybody be missing me. And all that. See, watch this. Hey, ladies. How you doing? Good. How y'all doing?
Good.
Good. Hey, how y'all doing? Hey. Yes, y'all. All right, y'all, as y'all can see, it's dark outside, or it's just about there, and I'm gone. All right, Miss Lady, have a good one.
You gone?
Yeah, I'm gone. All right. I wasn't playing. How you doing? Good. So it's like about, what time is it? It's 9 o'clock, y'all, but the skies are so beautiful. Look at that. Look at that. Ooh, friend, she better stop playing. Come on, Candace. Ain't no 2 more minutes. I can't wait for you to see this vlog. She talking about some 2 more minutes. Y'all, I'm gonna talk to y'all about this later. It's crazy. It's funny but crazy. But yeah, look at the skies. This is so beautiful. But anyways, I'm gonna see y'all in a minute. I gotta get myself together. Seriously. All right, y'all. So I just got the shower. I'm about to go downstairs and get my girlfriend or whatever. All right. Let me see. I just threw something on to go get her. It's like that dress at the one when I need to run out to the store to do something quick, you know. I'm about to curl my hair, y'all. I don't know if I should wear it in a ponytail. Excuse me. If I should wear it in a ponytail or if I should curl it. I don't know. I'm kind of over it for real, for real. It's like, no, I need to lose some weight though. That's what I need to do. My stomach getting big. That is not cute. But yeah, sure, I'm so excited. Gonna hook up with my girl Treese, and shout out to her, shout out to Treese, because she invited us, you know, on the boat. So yeah, shout out to her. Hey, baby. Y'all, we only got 1 elevator that works in our building. 1 elevator. Wow, it's like 100 degrees in here. Wow. So I'm gonna go outside and get my friend Candace. She's outside waiting for me. Cause I live like in a gated community, so you know I gotta get my car to Tapares, man. I need some energy, y'all, for real. I need some energy. How I'm gonna get that? How? How I'm gonna get the energy, y'all? Tell me how. The only thing about vlogging and recording is that you just gotta hold your hand out and stretch. For real. Thank you. Uh-huh. No problem. You gotta hold your hand out and stretch. Okay, now I gotta go to my car and get the card for her. Where's she parked? I don't know where she at. Oh, is that her? I don't know where the fuck she parked it. I might have to get off the camera with y'all. I said get off the camera with y'all like y'all on the phone or something. Candace! Pooh! Alright, because I gotta get card out for her. Smells so good in here. It ain't nothing like a woman that has a car that is so clean. Oh, that's slow as a motherfucker. Come on, friend. Bitch got parking and everything. I can't. I was gonna have to come downstairs anyways, y'all. Hey, girlfriend. So, y'all, she found parking. Bitch, I'm vlogging. Yeah, she said for real. Oh, yes, the story behind this. Candy, say hi.
Hey y'all.
Hey, y'all. Yeah, so she found parking already, so we getting ready to go upstairs and get ready. You got everything? All right. Oh, so you got a good little spot.
For that parking spot.
For real? Who?
Yes, it was a tough right there.
Oh.
Yeah, man.
Well, he'll be all right. Get his ass beat up out here. It's like, no, let me stop. Candace, we about to turn up, bitch.
No, we just running late.
No, we're not. We good.
We gotta be there every day.
Yeah, but we good. It's 15 minutes from here. That's not far. Yeah, it's like 15 minutes from here.
You wearing heels?
I don't know. I was gonna ask you that. You wear heels? I wear heels if you wear heels. I mean, I really wasn't trying to because we getting on a boat, but I mean, if you is it calling for heels? Yeah. Oh, bitch, then we gotta wear heels tonight. All right, then we wearing heels. You want to bring some sandals just in case? Damn, my arm hurt like shit, bitch. I was just telling them, I was like, only thing about vlogging and recording, you just gotta be like this and shit. You gotta have some type of reach. It's upstairs in the apartment. All right, y'all, look, I'm about to get off of here because I gotta charge my phone up for tonight, and then I gotta, thanks, boo, and then I gotta, we gotta get ourselves together. So, all right, now y'all can see Candace a little bit better. Hurry up, bitch. All right. Well, I can't get her in there because we don't know her. Wait. Sorry. All right, bye, y'all. Let me get off of here. Y'all see us later when we get on that boat. All right, y'all. So we back real fast. We about to take a shot. Huh, friend? Oh, somebody hit you up, friend. Who that? Oh, that's the babe. Why are you smiling like that? She is. Come on, no. We're gonna toast to a. Oh, okay. He ain't the bait then. Okay, we're gonna toast to a fun, safe, happy night. What the fuck is we drinking out of the way? This like dessert cups and shit. Thanks. All right. Let me see, friend. Listen. She said, are you coming around? Look at his arms. Look. Look at what? Hey, yo, no. Don't call me no mom.
No, my stomach was big.
Since I started my new job one day and everything.
Oh, we're at. Congratulations.
I don't want to go because my clientele.
But no, congratulations.
My stomach was big.
I don't want to go.
What?
They want me. You know, you transfer cars from dealership to dealership. Or Chevrolet. Little cool 15.
Alright, do that shit. What's the problem?
I'm cutting heads. That's my clientele doing. So I'm like this whole weekend. I'm like off my.
I see what you're saying.
It's like 2 incomes, so I'm like, yeah, do it.
Do it, man. I ain't gonna say I wish I could find me another income job.
And you know, I just started me a claim.
Boom, boom, boom. Alright, so you guys listen. The boat cruise was canceled. Niggas was bullshitting, okay? So we're on to plan B, right, friend? We're on to plan B, okay? That's it. We not stopping our life for no nigga. For nobody. Period. No nigga, no bitch. City will.
I need to go to.
Okay, good morning, beautiful people. Good morning. It is the next day, okay? Let me tell y'all. I'm laughing because last night it was just too much, y'all. So let me tell y'all. So y'all know I started the day off. Of course, the beginning of this vlog is from yesterday, okay? So, my girlfriend, came over and we were supposed to get on a boat last night. The boat never showed up. However, my girlfriend calls me and she's like, yeah, niggas is bullshit and blase blase. And I'm like, all right, it's cool. We ain't tripping. We ain't gonna trip. So the plan was to, have a plan B, right? So we in the house. I gotta hold this phone right. Excuse me, y'all. So my other girlfriend and I, we in the house, and we done getting ready. But I just noticed like the time just started going by, and it started to get late. So I'm like, man, we still ain't make it out DC yet. But we just kind of lollygagging, bullshitting around. Next thing I know, she was like, I'm leaving. Like she was like over it. She was like, I'm leaving, and I understand it was a waste of time. It was because, you get dressed, you get dolled up, you do all that just to not go nowhere. That sucks. That's, and especially for me because I'm vlogging, and I really wanted to, vlog the rest of my night out. But it's okay. So all that being said, next thing I know, she left. I'm in there, and I'm just in there just lonely, eating and shit, just making stuff. Mind y'all, it's like 2 in the morning. I'm just cooking. Just cooking. So I end up going to sleep, and here we are now. Woke up this morning, very blessed, thanking the man above, of course. And we're here. So what I'm going to do, you guys, well, as you're watching right now, so the very first part of the video is from the day before. And this part here is the next morning. So so pretty much I combined the 2 days, okay? So today my day is going to consist of, my makeup artist / good girlfriend, she's having a housewarming, okay? So after I get off of work, I work from 3 to 11:30, but I'm leaving at 8 o'clock. So when I get off of work, I'm going to get ready, come home, get ready, and then I'm going to go to her spot, her housewarming. And then after that, let me see, I probably find like a little lounge or something to go to since we didn't do anything last night. Tonight is definitely going to be a night where I might go out. I'm not going to even say what I'm going to do because I don't want it not to happen for it not to happen. So we're just going to play it by ear. Like, it is what it is. But other than that, y'all, I'm home alone. The kids are with their dad. I'm just laying here chilling or whatever. I don't know what I want for breakfast. I really don't. But I'm not going to really do too much recording until probably when I get home. Yeah, that's probably when I'm going to start recording again. But anyways, you guys, I'm getting ready to get up, get myself together. It's about 9 o'clock or whatever. Yeah, it's about 9 o'clock. I think I'm going to go ahead and get up, get myself together. So anyways, next time I probably talk to y'all is like, probably going to be like later on tonight maybe, unless I want to get back on here and say some shit, talk some stuff to y'all. I don't know. But all right, babies, I'm going to talk to y'all soon. Patiently waiting. Oh, y'all, why I'm so pressed. Chris, say hi. Dang, you going to give him all that, though? Oh, see y'all. So rude. Just rude. Y'all say hey. Hey. This one here, y'all. Hey, girl. Look at her posing and stuff. Whoop whoop. Pull over that ass too fast.
Oh, my ass ain't fast, right?
Yes, it is, girl. Stop playing. All right, so we're going to try this night again, okay? Because last night didn't work out, okay? So, Candace, you ready? She said, what happened? Oh, we're going to tell you when we get inside. It was just The boat never showed up. Let's just say that. Bitch, the boat never showed up. Yes. So y'all, we getting ready to go out. We getting ready to try this again for tonight. We about to go ahead, take a couple of shots, roll out, hit out DC, and try this again. That's all I can say is try this again. She said, "You smell good, bitch." Yes.
Listen, I'm gonna tell you, I'm pulling with my little see-through. But I was like, let me save it because I'm going to
Oh, I'm about to run into the gate. Oh, about to run into the gate. But yes, y'all. So, okay, today was just crazy. So I did go to work today. I went to work. I got off at 8 o'clock. I went to my girlfriend's housewarming. The housewarming was very nice. I left there and I came back home. So now I'm here trying to try this shit again and again and again and again. Period, poo. No, this is my vlog for YouTube. Yeah. Again and again and again. Oh, thank you. You're welcome. All right, there we go. We got some light here. All right, let me get off until I get into the apartment. All right, so we made it to a spot. Hey, Candace. Hey, Nikki. Nikki. He did. Right. Oh, look at her showing off. So we made it out DC, y'all, finally.
I'm good. I'm good.
Oh, wait, where he from?
No, wait, I'm not from.
Anyways, we made it out DC. After 2 days of bullshit. That's the vlog. Y'all look.
Oh my God. I ain't never been up here.
But her what? What's her? But me what? I was about to smack her. Who was I about to smack? I wasn't gonna smack nobody, y'all. Don't listen to him. He's so right though. You do got some bomb memory though. I didn't mean to. It wasn't like that. I don't mean no harm to nobody, Slim. I'm a cool ass chick. But anyways, look how DC is popping right now. Look at DC. It's lit. You good? Nigga Candace. Oh, Candace, you remember that night? Hey. Ooh, all that ass. Don't move in there, friends. Damn, whatever the fuck is rising up from above me right now, bitch, I'm hot. I gotta get back on this way. He wanna have bomb memory and shit. I don't know what happened that night. He talking about. Yeah, that shit always straight.
My shit what?
What's Buffy? Wagon wheel. Fat. I said.
Oh my God.
It's hot out here, y'all. It's burning the fuck up. She really. What are you doing, Nikki? Let me see. Oh, let me see, Nikki. Oh, let me see, friend. Bust that shit down. Yeah. Bust that shit down. Bust that shit down.
No, go ahead. I'm good for him.
Charlotte. So we're gonna try to have a good night. We made it out. That's all that's important, because we made it out.
Y'all was drinking?
We were sipping. Sipping a little something.
Y'all driving the boat?
Douce. My peoples came through with the Douce. Okay, so listen, this is the thing. So my ladies was like, they wasn't with the heels, so I had to put on my flip-flops. My bad, baby. Had to put on the sandals, because they was not with the heels. For real. Oh, hey, boo. Oh. Now, where you come from, girl? A little fine chocolate ass. What's your name?
Just call me Chocolate. Kiana.
Hey, Kiana.
Hi.
Oh, Kiana,
I'm
cute.
so happy you just call me Chocolate.
You are chocolate. You're beautiful. You're real beautiful.
Love it. Thank you.
She got the lime green on with the black. Okay, I see you, baby.
You got a vibe.
Yes, you got to. It's calling for that. It's a
What
Saturday
is this
night.
video for? Just life?
It's a vlog. That's my YouTube channel.
Oh, what's your YouTube?
Charlotte's,
watching YouTube
Charlotte's World Wide Web.
Okay.
You gonna remember that?
Yeah, yeah.
She said she gonna remember, but
Charlotte's
we'll see.
Charlotte's World
Wide Web. It's a tongue
It's a
twister,
tongue
baby.
twister.
Yeah, they ain't gonna lie, it is.
What do you
I be
post
like-
on your channel?
Everything, makeup, tutorials, cooking tutorials, vlogs, story time, everything, bitch, everything. You
I
name
feel like I
it,
must find out about it.
you have to.
Are you from here?
Yes, I'm from Maryland.
Maryland. You from PG?
Yes.
PG County, Pretty Girl County, as they say.
Period, poo.
Pretty Girl
Yes,
County.
exactly. Where you from?
Pennsylvania.
Oh, okay. So this your first time? This not your first
No,
time?
no. I go to Towson.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so
you,
like I come to DC a couple
okay.
times. Yeah.
So y'all shout out to her, Pretty Girl Gang.
Thank
Yes.
you.
All right.
All right, I don't want to interrupt your.
Okay, now you good, boo. Like I'm actually just standing in the line, just waiting for the
love
whatever.
it.
So you good. You are so good.
Are you still trying to sell?
I got 5.
You just sounded cute.
Y'all, I'm gonna cut it back on when we get inside. Hey, Nikki, come here, Nikki. I know Nikki's gonna help me out. Nikki, come here, Nikki.
Earth is the name, and Bella did the change.
I'm just here, and the ice showed up late as fuck, but I'm here. And Charlotte's here too. We about to go see. We about to go get Charlotte because she's tripping. Charlotte, what you doing?
Okay, so listen, you all. We left the club. My baby came through. Hey, Trees. Trees. Ooh. So I had to record because my baby came through her big ass titties
I came through late
and her
as
big
fuck.
ass personality.